So welcome everybody, we are week 1 neutral bay, we're learning the rhythm Hotcus and we're just going to go through it so that everybody knows what to practice during the week. So firstly we've got Djembe 1. Phonetically, let's just pulse on our legs like this and we'll do it phonetically first. Djembe 1, 3, 4. Diddy diddy boom, diddy boom, diddy diddy boom, diddy boom, diddy diddy boom, diddy boom, diddy diddy boom, diddy boom. Go! Djembe 1 for Hotcus. Now the next thing we learned was the call. And the call goes, we'll do it phonetically, let's pulse on our knees. 1, 2, 3, go. Clap, dee 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 dee. Clap, dee 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 dee. Remember the exclamation mark. Clap, dee 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 dee. Clap, dee 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 dee. Last one, clap, dee 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 dee. Go. Wayne just learned this about 5 minutes ago. He played the duns once and we're putting him in the deep end. But we're going to support him because we're going to first we'll do it phonetically just with your mouth first, and then we'll all do it together on the drums. So phonetically, 3, 4. Boom, ka, boom, boom, ka. Boom, ka, boom, boom, ka. Boom, ka, boom, boom, ka. Last one, boom, ka, boom, boom, ka.